I wire all the buttons. These are also arcade buttons. They wire all the way down to the board, the sensor board on the bottom. And this is also a 3-inch phenolic resin ball. This is a big ball. This is a heavy ball. It's the same size as this yellow ball. It's also made of a phenolic resin. It's rolling in three of these ball bearings. It's run really smooth. I have no issues with these ball bearings. It has three of these running inside the housing. These are BTUs. These are Rex Rod German-made BTUs. This unit is running on three of these three BTUs. It runs really free. There's no obstruction or friction, but they're kind of noisy. And these things are expensive. It's like $45 a piece. So you buy three of these, $135 plus tax and shipping. Well, you can get this from Amazon. I don't know, around $2 or $3. In my opinion, you can control the ball better with these ball bearings, open ball bearings. You can control when you're moving the heavy ball. You have more control when you're moving the ball. When you're moving the ball with these things on this yellow ball, you need to control the ball more with your fingers because it runs free. It tends to run free. While the ball bearings, uh, they kind of cancel each other when you have them installed. They don't run free to anywhere you roll them. So you have more control. I believe you have more control. It's my opinion is you have more control using these ball bearings. These are when you move the ball, it's almost effortless because the ball runs free. So you need to have more control with your hand when you're moving the ball. It's really nice. There's almost no friction in this thing, but you have more control with the ball bearings, more accurate. It's very nice, but they're expensive and they move really free. So I'm gonna focus more on this design and try to improve this unit more. This unit is already working. It's a fully working unit. It's still a prototype, but it's a working. All the buttons work. It's left click, right click, middle click, scroll, back and forward. You can go one click back or back and forth. You can see it working on my shorts. This unit, I'm not gonna work more. I'm not gonna work more on this design. This design, I'm not gonna waste my time on this unit no more. I'm gonna focus more on this design. This is still a prototype, but all the buttons are working. I need to improve the top cover, um, because the buttons are wired all the way to the bottom to the main board, and they're not right now. They're not swappable. I want to be able to swap the switches. Um, this unit has these Cherry MX silver speed switches, and just to design the top cover, it took me a few weeks. I made many tests on this, only the cover. It wasn't easy to design the way to fit this switches into the cavity. So at the beginning, I had to before I designed the cover, I had to design some test samples. So I didn't want to waste material and time designing this thing and then find out that they didn't fit, or I waste a lot of material 3D printing the cover, and then the switches wouldn't fit in the on the cavities. So first, before I attempted to print the top cover, I 3D printed and perfected the test samples to fit the switch. So I made probably like 20 or 30 samples till I get the final result, and it will fine. Once I finish with these test samples, then I went back to the computer and started working on this cover, and it worked. But I need to improve the top cover. I want to be able to swap switches in case they break or something happens. So I had to make another test sample. Now I'm using swappable sockets, the ones that comes on the keyboards. So this way I'm gonna wire the cables from the main board up to these two terminals on this socket, and then I can remove if something happens with any of the switches. I can just remove the switch and put a new switch, or change a different sensitivity switch into the trackball. So this is my next modification to this top cover. But this is already a working unit. This is already working. I just need I just want to be able to swap the switches. That's all. And this is as I said, this is not over the top trackball. This is mounted on top of my desk. This is flush. Once this is installed on my desk, this is flush on my desk. So I believe this is gonna prevent a lot of the wrist pain, because it's sitting flat on top of your the surface of your desk. And this is wire. This is a wire unit. Since this unit is embedded onto the top of the desk, there's no need to move this strap wall anywhere. It's gonna be fixed to the desk. This is gonna be uh, a, a series of videos related to this strap ball. Uh, you like this kind of stuff? Or you like troubles or designing things, making things? Uh, Leave a comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching. More videos are coming soon on this this thing. Thank you.